me and encourage and support me.
Please vote and support me.
Hi, I am Darun from grade 9. Please support me and encourage me. Please vote me. Thank you.
I come from grade 10. This is my logo, and if you are supporting me, I will make school better and respect each other, and I will maintain discipline. You all have a goal to achieve. Let's work as a team. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ahmed Irfan. This is my logo. If selected as head boy, I will be a responsible leader. I will listen to all your ideas and concerns and work together. We will work collaboratively with both students and teachers to create a positive way of learning environment in our school.
Please whatever help you want, I will do.
My name is Pallavi. I am from grade 9. Please support me and encourage me. I'll be your voice and vote me. Thank you.
Myself, Navya, I'm from grade 9, and this is my symbol. It represents unity from everyone, and my motto is power lies in unity. I'm nominated for assistant head girl, so I'll make sure that everyone stays united and no one's voice goes down. I'll make sure that all of your voices are heard, and let's work with unity and make our school a better place.
She from grade 10, as I'm nominated as school head girl leader, I will work hard to make my school to be proud and achieve the great spirits. I'm Shunima from grade 10. This is my symbol. If you elect me as your head girl, I will promise that we will have coordination, unity, and we will achieve together.
And I promise that I'll make the school bright, and I'll make the school to be united, and you can share me if you have any problems so that I'll convey to the teachers and I'll make them solve. And I can teach you meditation so that you can know the benefits of the meditation.
I have been selected as a nominee for school head girl, and this is my symbol. My symbol is monkey. I promise my teachers that I will break the record of 92.2% in the year 2022, which was the highest percentage in the school, and they were the topper of the school. So by breaking this percentage, I will score about 93% and make my teachers and parents proud to feel our batch is the best batch in the school. So please vote me so that you can support me and motivate me to break the record of 92.2% into 93 or more than 93%.
So I strongly believe head boy is not, this post is not only being like Hitler or a detective.
Opportunity for us encourage to vote in our school.
Okay, then are you happy with this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's so excitement, ma'am. Our government has announced above 18 years only they should vote, ma'am. But we are voting in 10 years only, ma'am. So it is making us happy because in 11 years I'm voting.
Okay, then
it's a good opportunity.
So you learned how to choose the right candidate. In what way you can choose?
I choose by their speaking English levels and what would they do for us after becoming the head. And I felt their attitude was good, and I'm feeling very happy to vote.
Okay.
Opportunity of Gurukulam to put vote.
you're happy?
Ma'am, we get the time to place our votes, ma'am, first time. So we are very interested and eager to do.
You are eager. Okay, you know how to choose the candidates?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the qualities the candidates should have?
Ma'am, they should not show any discrimination. They should treat everyone equally, ma'am.
They should treat everyone equally.
They have to follow all the rules.
You are feeling
Here in the school, it is the first time I'm facing in the school. It is happening in the school.
okay, you're happy to vote?
Feeling very pride and proud. After my Rajya Sabha election, I am given a chance to cast my vote even in the school. Happy, ma'am.
Happy?
We are going to elect the head boy as head girl, and it will be experience for even the children also. They can vote and elect the leaders.
Oh my God, I feel so happy. This is the first time I'm voting, and that too for our school children. No, I'm feeling really happy. Thank you for this opportunity to management and to principal.
You feel Archana, ma'am?
I'm really feeling excited to vote.
Thank you.
Very exciting, ma'am. This is the first time I'm voting. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Very happy. Voting.